Hello guys, a new mining video for a new mining bot. This is TonXdao bot sponsored by Ton, a verified coin in Telegram. The airdrop will be coming soon. You must work hard in this airdrop. Also, there is a list of airdrop in Telegram will be in my side. The link will be in the first comment of the video. Like you see, this is our homepage of our bot. For the first, you join the bot, then you go to do tasks. You will get 13,000 DAO for free. Here how it's work. This is the homepage. This plus it means your friend. It will it means your friend here. Means your friend. You will get friends. You will mine together in DAO, like you see. This is DAO. Your DAO boosts your mining if you want to boost, but work in free mining. When you click in setting, like you see you and this plus means your friends. How it's work is simple. This is the energy when you push up the center. Like you see, you mine free DAO coin. Like you see, until energy is empty and will recharge in high speed. This is how it's work. Our verified bot sponsored by Ton. Like you see, now we'll use script to maximize our earning from it. Let's go to our script. This is our termux. Open termux. This is our script. For using script, you just copy this package to unstart one by one. You copy this one, this all one like that, copy and put in termux to update all package. Now we copy our git clone. It means our script. We get until it's complete. Now it's updating our package. We wait until complete. I advise you to use my strategy in working in bots and scripts. Every day run every script for half a day and do for another. Also open 8 session in your termux. It's simple. When you split like that, you click in new session. I already open 8 session. It's simple. You split your termux like that and you open your new session. I advise you to put all your script in one folder. When you open the first session, you open this folder, then you open all of other session, 8 session. Then you can use every script for every in every session. It's very simple. This is how it's work to run 8 scripts at once. And because there is all in one folder, you just close one and reopen from another session. You will get all scripts. You run the script that you want. It's very simple to do that. This is my strategy, how it's working. Script you run for 1 day or 2 days. Every script run for 1 day or 2 days, and like that, and you repeat that. This will be to avoid be banned, and also to maximize your earning from all scripts and mining bots that we present in our channel. This is how it's work. Instruction will be in my site, also the link of other mining trusted link. Don't forget, there is some bots will be listed in my site. it will be in these few days, it will be launched in few days, like I told you. You can maximize your earning in these few days, get some money from this. One by one, you run one by one. Like you see, we just wait until it's completed. I have the connection. This is Memphi script updated. You can see in the script of the video of Memphi, you will find the link of updated script. It will be shown in the my site. This is update for Memphi script. If your script, the first script don't work, use this one. It's working well. Like I told you, also there is other method working in Ubuntu environment. It means in Linux environment. I will do a video for that, but it's hard to do. Like you see, this is other mining bot. It will be launched soon. It will be in my channel. Like you see, this is Xcoin, or it explained in my channel. Now it's stopping claiming because I already exceeded the gold limit. Now we return to our script today. Take some time to update all updated. This is to market script. If you want, write in comment if you want to make video for to market script. Like you see, this is good script working well. This is for yes coin. This is for agent. If you want, those I already explained in my channel. This is how to run script. If you want to get script, just write in comment. This is for Memphi. I already told you. Like you see, we wait until completed. It takes some time to because I have bad connection. That's all. Just wait until completed. This is for Memphi coin. The link will be in the video of Memphi coin. That will be the update. You will find the update of the script. If the script one stopped to claim, you can use this one and modify config.json file like the other. It's very simple. Now it's coming up, which will take long, but if you have good connection, it will be very fast to install this package and update this. Take some seconds, but now I have bad connection. Like you see, like I told you, for this one it will be in my channel too. There is other video will be coming, like I told you, to get maximum profit from secrets. There is some bots that are fake. Be careful. We present all verified bots in our channel. Also, you can join my channel in Telegram. The link, all link will be in my site in the first comment. Like you see, it's completed. Take some time if you have a good connection. Like you see, now it must be completed. Now we just put our git clone. It's means the file that contain the script and the open script, putting our data and running the script. It will claim for you. Like you see, click ls. Now we put our git clone like that. Like you see, now it's installing. we let installing, we put cd space the name of the folder TonXdao With, like that. We click ls now. Now we put nano space token token tokens.txt, like you see. We press Ctrl K to empty the nano file. Now we return our bot. We just make in airplane mode, we reload to get our data. We open our script like that. We run our script. Excuse me, take some time. When it loading, we put in airplane mode and you load the page to get the data. Like you see, you repeat this action and get like that tg web app data equal to user. Now we remove airplane mode. Now we go to our decoder decode query by Ricky. This decoder will decode your data and give you user your data like that. We now, after completing, we click in Ctrl X Y, then hit enter, and now we put ls, then enter. Now we copy and start requirement beep. We put this one. Now we click in ls. Now we run our bot. We put python space bot.py. Now we run our bot. Like you see, the bot is starting. Like you see, it will give you your profit, your coins, your energy. Like you see, now the bot is starting well. Gives you your account and it will work for you. This is how to work this bot like that. It will show like that. It will work for you like that. Now our bot is 100% activated. Like you see energy and energy. Like you see, if you see, energy is decreasing. This is how to work this bot. And this script, it will show you this table and energy decreases. And we'll repeat that after energy have 100%. Like you see, it's working. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.